Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set default region in AWS Management Console. You can see as of now, my region is Mumbai. This we are getting because I was working previously in the Mumbai region. But now what I want is that whenever I log in, there should be a default region instead of previously visited regions. My default region should be US East 1, that is North Virginia. Whenever I log in, then it should take me to the North Virginia region instead of other regions like Mumbai or any other region. For that, click on this gear icon, click on more user settings. Here you can see that in the default region, it is last used region. That is, I was working previously in Mumbai region. That's why whenever I sign in, it is taking me to the Mumbai region. If previously I was working in Oregon, when I sign in, it will take me to the Oregon region. But I want North Virginia should be my default region. Whenever I log in into my AWS console, then North Virginia should be there. For that, click on Edit. Here, from the default region drop down, select North Virginia. Click on Save Settings. You will get a successful message. Then, what I will do is I will log out from this console, open new tab because this is incognito, and again I will type AWS console login. I will sign in to the console again. I will sign with root user account. Here you can see that now it is set to my default region, that is US East 1. Like this, we can set default region in our AWS management console. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.